Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make collard greens tender. First, ensure your collard greens are meticulously clean. Wash them several times to eliminate all grit. Next, prepare the greens by removing the tough central stems. Then, stack several leaves, roll them tightly, and slice them into 1-inch wide ribbons. This initial preparation is crucial for achieving that desired tender texture and ensuring a pleasant eating experience. The secret to truly tender collard greens lies in slow cooking. After your greens are prepped, place them in a large pot with enough liquid to cover them, like chicken broth or water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for at least 1 to 2 hours or even longer. This extended, low-heat cooking breaks down the tough fibers, transforming them into a wonderfully soft and palatable dish. While tenderness is key, flavor is equally important. Begin by sautéing aromatics like diced onions and minced garlic until fragrant. Then, incorporate smoked meats such as ham hocks or smoked turkey for a rich, savory base. Season generously with a touch of apple cider vinegar for brightness, a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick, and salt to taste. These additions create a complex and delicious pot liquor. You'll know your collard greens are perfectly tender when they can be easily pierced with a fork and practically melt in your mouth. The cooking time can vary, but patience is rewarded with an incredibly soft texture. The flavorful pot liquor, a delicious byproduct of the slow cooking, should also be rich and savory. Give them one final taste and adjust any seasonings to ensure they are absolutely perfect before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.